We're doing a little state park nature trail. Got the baby, Sophia. Hi, babies. Yeah, we're here in the redwoods, coastal redwoods. They say only 4% of the original forest is left after all the deforestation and just extinction of the species. But it's pretty neat to come see them. Some of these trees are so big that they would put poultry and other livestock inside of these and use it as like a pen to hold their chickens and stuff. That's how big these trees are. You can see the walkway there. These little roadside nature walks, I mean, you see the cars go by, they're worth it because you can see a lot. And some of the best examples are right here off the road. So it talks about the outer bark, the different layers. What do you think? What do you think of those? What do you think? Goes pretty high up there. Yeah. Yeah? What do you think? Checking it out? Pretty neat trail. Just a quick little loop is all it is. You get to see all the examples. You're waving? You're waving at them? What do you think of the trail? You're tired now? I think we're tired. But it's pretty neat to have the birds. Talks about the birds and the different animals that inhabit the canopy here. It's right along the Eel River, which is right over here. We'll go show you that before we leave. Just headed out back towards the car here. So we're out back at the parking lot and just come out of the loop from over there. You can park right there. Got some clean bathrooms. You even have the ass gaskets, the all-important ass gaskets. Look at the grove, man. You just have this massive grove of trees right here. Look at how tall they are. It's got to be 200 plus feet at least. But yeah, you just dip right in there. They got fresh water, a little barbecue picnic area. Pretty neat. We're gonna go down and check out the river real quick. I think you can off-road all the way down to the water. They let you. We'll put some new meats on the Jeep here, some KO2s. So we'll be using those on some of the Oregon sand here. But yeah, right on down to the water. So we'll go down there in a minute. Whoa! She's sneezing, so a lot of sun over here. So that was a nice visit to the Richardson Grove. Neat little state park here. Definitely worth a stop to get out and stretch the legs and check out the scenery. Not bad at all. They got some campgrounds and drive right into the main highway. Alright, back out on the road, we're headed north.